All right, all these tomato cages came from one roll of concrete remesh. I've had these a couple years now. All you really have to do is unroll it. The only tools you'll need is a pair of bolt cutters, and you just go around and you snip off one of the horizontal rings, and that'll leave some nice spikes to dig in the ground. Cut it right along one edge here. You'll see this is cut just a little ways away. You can cut a little bit closer. That's as close as I get with my bolt cutters. With the long piece that's left, you just take I found the easiest way is just to use a wrench and just hook it around there and bend it using a wrench. And these are nice, sturdy, self-supporting. They'll last many years, and they're relatively cheap. Even with inflation, these are still cheap. I think I paid about $150 for the roll, and gosh, I don't even know how many cages I have. And I have them all over the place now. I'm using some currently for my compost bins. They just work great, and all you have to do is loop them together like that, and they're good to go. So if you're looking to have some high quality tomato cages this year and want to save a little bit of money on it, this might be for you.